Okay guys, I'm at the Hungry Trout Resort in Lake Placid. There's the Hungry Trout restaurant right there, I think. But see those? Pretty new to me. And our room is going to be room 1. But there's a code for this one, so unfortunately this door has to stay the little hole in it, but yeah, because it will not open. So let's go in. Here's your Hungry Trout Resort evacuation. Really pretty standard. Here's your outdoor pool. But see right there, I guess these are your window, whatever. And there's your closet to hang your clothes around here. And there is. Looks more like, I don't know. There's your sink, kitchen sink, and there's your stove and your microwave. And there's your freezer right there, I guess. Please don't, that's my bottle. All right, anyways. All right, sorry, because they're trying to look at whatever. Just ignore it. Just bear with me, guys. And what's very interesting is your bunk bed right there. Very nice bunk bed. And there's your other bed. That's where I'm gonna be sleeping in the bunk bed from now. And let's check the mattress. Nice mattress. Here's your additional clock right there. I don't know why it's already off, but okay. But in there's nothing. Wow, I guess. And there's your on, which is a brand new one, and there's your remote controller. Unfortunately, that doesn't work. And there's your bunch of drawers right there. I don't know what that is, but very well improved. Very well. Oh yeah, that one too. Very well improved. There's your lamp. Let me turn this on, demonstrate this a little bit. Very nice lamp. But yeah, that lamp too is really cool. It's very bright. Here's your lock. Like that one. Alright, sure. Alright. Starting off, and there's your sink right there. And his commode is gonna be a color. And there's a lock right there in your piece. And the pressure's really good, the shower's pretty good. Yeah. Very nice. Alright then. One of the mattresses is pretty well improved, and I really like this so much. But yeah. And before I end the video, I want to show you the pool. You see the pool right there? Hold on. Before I end the video, you see there's a pool right there, right? There's your outdoor pool. Very well improved. You know, there's your Pepsi machine right there, which is sadly out of order. So yeah. So I hope you enjoy my room tour of the Hungry Trout Resort. If you ever stay here, then hopefully this will make your dreams come to life. So anyways, thank you all so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and that's it.